on a video, and the name of the video is.
And the name of the video is Drone Footage Malaysia Truly Asia 2019 Drone Footage Cinematic Footage, you can say. So without wasting any time, let's see how it goes.
The Beauty of Malaysia.
Music is little bit similar to The Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Oh,
wow.
Ramos.
Wow.
Temple.
Look at this beauty.
Yeah, phenomenal. Night view.
Yes. USA flag. I think so. Nice music as well.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Air tower.
Oh wow.
Breathtaking scene.
Putra. Train.
I think that is man-made lake
Huh?
in Putrajaya. We reacted on a
Yes,
video.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Wow.
I like
Natural
this scene.
beauty as well. What you were saying?
I like this scene a lot. Lot of natural beauty.
Wow. The beauty of Malaysia. And the video is over. So guys, the video is over, and in this video we saw beauty of Malaysia. We saw beautiful lakes, and some of the lakes were man-made as we reacted in the previous video, and gigantic buildings, well-constructed roads,
Yes.
and also a temple, and which is I think constructed in a natural cave. One of our subscribers told us about that, so that is really very interesting fact.
Yes, we saw beautiful mountains as well. We
Yeah.
have reacted on a video about Putrajaya, and we saw the beauty of Putra Mosque as well.
Yeah.
But we don't know about another mosque. Let us know in the
Yeah, we are
comment
curious
section.
to know about that.
Yes.
After watching this video, we can say that Malaysia is full of natural beauty as well as developed country,
Yes.
because we saw lot of greenery and I think green mountains as well.
Yes, yes.
That is really breathtaking views. So we are speechless.
That's it for today.
Yeah, overall it was amazing. We enjoyed a lot. So if you enjoyed, please like this video and comment below if you do have any suggestions. I think that's it for today. So in the next video, till then, goodbye. Have a nice
Have a
day.
nice day.